when you grow up, you gotta be a police officer just like me. I don't want to be a police officer, Dad. I'm already bigger than you too, Daddy. Stop bullying me around, you punk. Okay, whatever you say. Is your family like this? If your family's like this, please call 1-800. Get a life. Wait, no. 1-800, you need help. 1-800, you need help right now. And I will answer the phone and I will help you through the difficult parts in life. I'm not a doctor, but I can still help you. That's right. Not a doctor. Just a firefly. Just a firefly. Just a firefly. Boo boo boo. Boo boo boo. Boo boo boo.